Hi, I'm Heena Modi of PlantShift, and this is Professor Geoffrey Pilkington of University of Portsmouth. Jeff, can you tell us a bit about the Grand Challenge?
Yes, the Grand Challenge is something which has been set up between two charities, Brain Tumour Research. Brain Tumour Research co-funds our research centre in the University of Portsmouth, and the Dr. Hadwen Trust, who are funding some of my research into alternatives to animals. So these are in vitro experiments where we're looking at models for various pathologies. The specific remit of the Grand Challenge is to look at our work on modelling the blood-brain barrier. The brain has a very different vascular structure from the rest of the body, which means that the brain is protected from certain toxins. But some of the chemicals, some of the agents that we use to treat cancers within the rest of the body actually won't cross the blood-brain barrier. They're toxic by their very nature. So we've made a series of models of the blood-brain barrier, which we're now using to study cancer metastasis, looking at breast and lung cancers, specifically the mechanisms that are involved in breast and lung cancers moving into the brain. And we'd now like to use that to investigate a number of different mechanisms to get drugs across that blood-brain barrier to treat brain tumours. So we're using things like emulsions, nanoparticles, nanofibers, and a whole range of other things to facilitate the entry of these potentially important drugs into the nervous system. And of course, this doesn't just have applications for brain tumours. There are a number of other neurological diseases which we need to treat, including neurodegenerative conditions and so on, where we cannot get the drugs effectively at therapeutic doses into the brain itself.
So, Jeff, there's a key word in the Grand Challenge. What's the connection with Grand and the funding?
Well, the Grand Challenge seeks to raise something like £200,000, and that £200,000 will support a postdoctoral research worker to investigate a number of different delivery vehicles, as well as novel agents and repurposed drugs, which are being worked on by centres throughout the world. And those will enable a 3-year project to be funded.